Should a woman change her last name after she gets married? Well, this is a Western culture. In Western culture, a woman would become the property of the husband and his family, so they would actually take her identity away by making her change her last name. That's not in Islam. In Islam, we stick to our identity. So a woman gets married, her father is still her father, her family is still her family. Yes, she's a part of her husband's family, but her identity is not taken away. So a woman should not change her last name when she gets married. And this is proven from the Prophet ﷺ himself, because when he got married, Aisha was still bint Abi Bakr. Maria Qibtiyya was still called Maria Qibtiyya. She wasn't called Qurashiyya. They didn't change her name to Qurayshi. They didn't change her name to Ibn Abdullah like the Prophet ﷺ. They kept their names as they were. And this is true from the authentic hadith of the Prophet ﷺ in Bukhari and Muslim, where he said, whoever goes by a name other than their own fathers, attributing to somebody else or other than their own tribes, is not from us. That's a warning from the Prophet ﷺ. We keep our identities even after marriage. Women should not change their last name.